Welcome to the exciting world of land flipping. This strategy involves buying undervalued land and selling it for a profit. With the right approach, it can yield significant returns. But before diving in, due diligence is crucial. This involves thorough research and analysis to minimize risks. Understanding the local market is key to identifying profitable opportunities. This guide will equip you with the knowledge to navigate land flipping successfully. We'll cover finding properties, due diligence, and closing deals in detail. Get ready to unlock the potential of land flipping and make informed investment decisions. Let's get started on this journey. Due diligence is the cornerstone of successful land flipping. It's about minimizing risks by thoroughly investigating a property before you buy it. This process involves verifying information and uncovering potential issues. Start by examining property titles. Look for liens, easements, or anything that could affect ownership. Research zoning regulations to understand how you can use the land. Assess the land's physical characteristics. Check for environmental concerns like contamination or flooding. Consider access to utilities like water, sewer, and electricity. Due diligence helps you make informed decisions. It ensures you're investing in a property with real potential. Remember, a little research goes a long way in mitigating risks. Zillow is an invaluable tool for finding land flipping opportunities. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Zillow can be your go-to resource. This popular real estate website offers a user-friendly platform with a vast database of properties, making it easy to navigate and find what you need. Start by setting up search filters on Zillow. These filters help you zero in on the most relevant properties. Specify your budget, desired location, and property type as land. This ensures that you only see listings that meet your criteria. This will narrow down your search to relevant listings, saving you time and effort. Pay close attention to property descriptions and photos. These details can provide valuable insights into the property's potential. Look for keywords like investment opportunity or land for sale by owner. These can indicate properties with high potential for profit. Contact listing agents for more information. They can provide additional details and answer any questions you may have. Zillow also provides valuable data on comparable properties. This information is crucial for making informed decisions. Use this information to assess the fair market value of the land you're considering. Knowing the market value helps you make competitive offers. Remember, Zillow is just the starting point. It's a great tool, but it's important to use other resources as well. Always conduct your own due diligence before making any offers. This includes visiting the property and consulting with professionals. Performing due diligence is a meticulous process that requires attention to detail and thoroughness. It requires a systematic approach to ensure you cover all the bases and leave no stone unturned. Here's a comprehensive step-by-step guide to help you navigate this crucial stage of property acquisition. Step 1. Order a title search from a reputable title company. This is the foundation of your due diligence. This report will reveal the chain of ownership, liens, easements, or any encumbrances on the property, ensuring there are no surprises. Step 2. Contact the local planning and zoning department. This step is crucial for understanding the legal framework of the property. Verify the zoning regulations for the land and confirm permitted uses. This will help you understand what can and cannot be done with the property. Step 3. Hire an environmental consultant to conduct a Phase 1 environmental site assessment. This is essential for identifying any environmental risks. This will identify any potential environmental hazards, such as soil contamination or hazardous materials. Step 4. Obtain a current survey of the property. This step is vital for understanding the exact dimensions and boundaries of the land. This will show the boundaries, easements, and any encroachments, ensuring there are no disputes with neighbors. Step 5. Contact utility companies to confirm the availability of water, sewer, electricity, and gas. This ensures that the property is fully serviced and ready for development or occupancy. Section 5. Assembling your team, attorneys, surveyors, and more. Land flipping often involves working with various professionals. Assembling a reliable team can streamline the process and provide valuable expertise. An experienced real estate attorney is crucial for reviewing contracts, ensuring legal compliance, and protecting your interests. A licensed surveyor can verify property boundaries, identify easements, and create an accurate survey if needed. An environmental consultant is essential for conducting environmental assessments and identifying potential hazards. A reputable title company will conduct a title search, issue title insurance, and handle the closing process. If you plan on making improvements to the land, such as clearing or grading, you'll need a reliable contractor. Section 6. Unveiling the financials, understanding costs and profits. Before investing in a land flip, it's essential to have a clear understanding of the financials involved. Calculate your total costs and project your potential profits accurately. This includes the purchase price of the land, closing costs, and any due diligence expenses incurred. Factor in property taxes, insurance, and any maintenance costs while you own the land. If you plan on making improvements, estimate the costs for clearing, grading, or installing utilities. Include real estate agent commissions, closing costs, and any marketing expenses you might have. Subtract your total costs from your projected selling price to determine your potential profit margin. Section 7. Securing funding, navigating the financing landscape. Financing options for land flips may differ from traditional mortgages. Explore various funding sources to secure the capital you need. These private lenders specialize in short-term, asset-based loans. They typically have higher interest rates but offer faster approval times. Consider approaching individuals or groups willing to lend money for real estate investments. If you have sufficient capital, self-funding your land flip can provide greater control and potentially higher profits. Partnering with other investors can help spread the risk and provide access to additional capital. A business line of credit can provide flexible financing for acquisition and improvement costs. Section 8. Marketing your land, attracting the right buyer. Once your land is ready to sell, it's time to implement a strategic marketing plan. The goal is to attract the right buyer and maximize your profit. Online listings. Utilize popular real estate websites like Zillow, Realtor.com, and LandWatch to list your property. Signage. Place a professional for sale sign on the property with your contact information. Networking. Spread the word among your network of real estate agents, investors, and potential buyers. Open houses. Consider hosting open houses to showcase the land and answer questions from interested parties. Professional photography. High-quality photographs and virtual tours with drone can significantly enhance your listing's appeal. Section 9. Closing the deal. The final steps to profit. Closing the deal on your land flip involves finalizing the sale and transferring ownership to the buyer. Negotiation. Be prepared to negotiate the final sale price and terms with potential buyers. Purchase agreement. Once you've reached an agreement, your attorney will draft a purchase agreement outlining the terms of the sale. Title insurance. The buyer will typically obtain title insurance to protect their ownership rights. Closing documents. Review and sign all closing documents carefully, ensuring everything is in order. Fund disbursement. The title company will disburse funds to the seller and pay off any outstanding liens or mortgages. Section 10. Overcoming challenges, navigating common obstacles. Land flipping, like any investment strategy, comes with its share of challenges. These challenges can range from market volatility to unexpected costs, and each requires a strategic approach to navigate successfully. Anticipating and overcoming these obstacles is key to success. By being proactive and prepared, you can turn potential setbacks into opportunities for growth. Market fluctuations. Real estate markets can be unpredictable. Prices can rise and fall without warning, influenced by a variety of economic factors. Be prepared for potential price fluctuations and adjust your strategy accordingly. Flexibility and adaptability are crucial in responding to market changes. Unexpected expenses. Hidden problems or unforeseen circumstances can lead to unexpected expenses. These might include repairs, legal fees, or other unplanned costs. Factor in a contingency budget to cover these costs. Having a financial cushion can help you manage these surprises without derailing your investment. Zoning issues. Zoning regulations can change, potentially impacting your development plans. These changes can affect what you can build and how you can use your property. Stay informed about local zoning ordinances. Regularly check for updates and engage with local planning authorities to stay ahead of any changes. Financing difficulties. Securing financing can be challenging, especially in a tight lending environment. Lenders may have stringent requirements that can be difficult to meet. Have backup funding options in place. This could include private lenders, partnerships, or other financial resources to ensure you have the capital needed. Difficult sellers. Negotiating with unmotivated or difficult sellers can be time-consuming and frustrating. Patience and strong negotiation skills are essential in these situations. Section 11. Conclusion. Reaping the rewards of land flipping. Land flipping offers a potentially lucrative path to financial gain in the real estate market. By approaching this strategy with careful planning, due diligence, and a strategic mindset, you can increase your chances of success. Remember to assemble a team of trusted professionals, understand the financials, market your property effectively, and be prepared to navigate challenges along the way. With the right knowledge and execution, land flipping can become a rewarding investment strategy, allowing you to unlock the potential of this often overlooked asset class. So, go ahead, take the leap, and start exploring the exciting world of land flipping today. Investing involves significant risk, including the potential loss of principal. The value of investments and the income derived from them can go down as well as up and are not guaranteed. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Before making any investment decisions, it is crucial to conduct your own research and consider your risk tolerance, financial situation, and investment objectives. You may wish to seek advice from a qualified financial advisor to ensure that any investment is suitable for your personal circumstances. All information provided is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, a recommendation, or an offer to sell or purchase any securities. Neither the authors nor the distributors of this disclaimer accept any liability for any direct or consequential loss arising from any use of this information. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and turn on the bell notifications to stay updated with all our latest content. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us create more videos that you love. Thank you for watching.